Hayi vatsonga va ka hina manyanga ndzi tikombisa se loko u ri wa subscribe ni kombela u subscribe ni tlhela ni khensa na view ya wena. So namuntlha before ni nghena mhakeni I would like to actually give an example and to clarify certain things leswi ni twa ingaku vatsonga vo tala they fail to understand the differences in the YouTube analyst traits. Ta mi nyiketa xikombiso hi ti-judge letiya ta le USA letiya ta ti-shows. Ku na Judge Judy, she's straightforward, you can really be her joke. She's straightforward, you know, she's aggressive, she's everything which you can describe as someone who just anga frank. Then there's Judge Faith. Judge Faith, she's cute, she has a nice sense of humor, everybody loves her. So same goes to the analyst music question. We all have our traits, and we have our own different styles of delivering. Some of us prefer to say things the way they are. So namuntlha ni la ku vulavula hi the missed opportunities leti ti opportunities leti hi nga ti misa hikokwalaho ka poor deliverance ya EP ya Sho-Madjozi ya Ware Life. When I first heard Sho-Madjozi u lava ku release an EP which is dominated by vatsonga music, ni tsakini but with concerns ya ku chances are it might break vatsonga music, chances are it might build it. N'wina mi nga swi tivi ku ni vula njhani ku it might break it. I did a video during that time, I think it was November, October, when I first saw Sho-Madjozi in studio na Dr. Thomas ndzi vulavula hi how this could break vatsonga music. So if you haven't seen it, you can go through my videos, I think you gonna. So how that EP was supposed to build vatsonga music, or actually enlarge the market, a ku ri hi ndlela leyi. Sho-Madjozi, listen carefully, Sho-Madjozi is the biggest Xitsonga she's the biggest artist leyi nga na ngati ya Vatsonga. Kumbe ku swekisa sweswo i artist leyi kulukumba leyi nga na ngati ya Vatsonga ya confirmed. And ni swi tivi ku ni sweke kahle because Sho-Madjozi is white, sweswo i ti-politic ta siku rin'wanyana, but xi na ngati ya Vatsonga, so she's the biggest artist leyi nga na ngati ya Vatsonga. With that in hand, she's an international star. She na BET, she got all these big awards, she got all this attention. So she has all this power of influence, which means that if she delivers a powerful project with a certain sound leyi yi va ku yi kha yi dominate on the album, people are gonna draw attention to that sound. Leswiya swo loko u humesa album yi ta le xingondo ivi xi va blind xingondo lexiya, swi vula ku the international market or the national market leyi yi followaka Sho-Madjozi or had a chance ya ku twa sound le ka Sho-Madjozi and like it, yi ta va na interest ka yona sound leya, and it will go beyond Sho-Madjozi's music. So what happened with a EP ya Sho-Madjozi, she delivered a poor project, which means leswi swi nga endla, not which means xilungu xa hlupha vagani, leswi swi nga endla ti-market or people who listen to that sound, those sounds from overseas, nationally, va nga vi na interest ya ku lava ku tiva what's more, who's the biggest in that genre, i mani handle ka Sho-Madjozi wa there. Mind you, she worked with the biggest artists of our genre. Dr. Thomas is the biggest male folk artist ka music wa Xitsonga in history, and like Sandland stands a chance to be that. She's one of the biggest. And it's tivi ku ni nga ni speak kahle loko no in history. She worked alongside Oma Bevane, but she failed to deliver. That's why it didn't catch the attention. If only it caught caught the attention yi ba leriya rona hina vatsonga yi rotator a yi ta va yi catch attention ya yini na ya ku the international sponsors will be interested in Xitsonga music. They will be interested in our culture. They wanna go deeper on the source of the music. But because the project was the vocals no one is pitching, no one is coming to a song because the representation that they got from that Raj project iva lolo esile ayivangi you didn't catch that nzilo lwava boom. So we missed that opportunity. We missed sponsors because I find you calculate sponsors. So because of that, we have to do it on our own. How do we do it on our own as vatsonga? I think we did that taste Xitsonga looking at that advice also they should start distributing their music on online platforms and be precisely like kuba specifically mimirangisa ngopfu iTunes and get as many people as you can to stream your music on iTunes so that you get the high chats. And when you get the high chats, it's very simple. iTunes suggest the music for people. Suggest the music for people, and ungatukuma risimu when being big, one of the biggest songs through that platform. I mean, I prefer it more. Ungatukuma album ya wena yi kha yi xavisela henhla yi tlhela yi brakela the market through that platform. That's one. And xin'wana yi nga misa na opportunity ya Sho-Madjozi xi na fan base ya vanhu vo taka Woolworths vo tshama Sandton. Such people van'wani va kona vanhu lava kuma ku majority of them loko va tlangisa music wa maso they have no interest va tlangisela wa Sandton va twa nga ri swi na kutani. So this was an opportunity given by Sho-Madjozi ku change that perspective ya ku no mani Sandton va ta phela loko tinsimu letiya a ti lo ba rotation ya serious mani Sandton ti tata kuma market ya ka Woolworths. Market ya ka Woolworths mani Sandton loko yo yi endla event at the rest entrance 1,000. They want to spend time with her but tiva history ya vona, connect with her, then later on she performs for them. She can make a lot of money from that market ya ka Woolworths. That's why Sho-Madjozi are making a lot of money. One fan ya music wa Xitsonga, okay, one fan ya Sho-Madjozi it's probably equals to 100 fans that he never value standing because those have money, they buy music, they buy merchandise, they don't care about the price tag. Marahina, we are struggling. The only thing that we support with is consumer content, thanks to the music. Leswi swi nga tisi ngopfu ku cinca ka vutomi bya the artist. So my advice to Xitsonga music artists is ku let's upload music online. Let's keep on pushing. Sweswi se xichava va nga endla va ringetile but then it was rushed. Some of the advices ni tivekeli ka that review ni nga yi endla. So mi nga rivali ku subscribe. I didn't actually plan this video. I just woke up and I felt like I had to record it. So I'm rhandza vatsonga va ka hina xap xap.